I'm Morgan Over, and I'm the operations director here at the Rutland Mint. Today I'm going to show you how to use this really awesome machine called the X-Carve. It's a CNC router, and we're going to go through some of the steps on how to get from the beginning, having just a file, to a final product that you can play some cornhole on. So let's check it out. This is Easel, and Easel is a platform for sending information to our CNC router. It's developed by a company called Inventables. They're also the company that built this machine behind me. So here on the computer screen, I have a file of what will eventually be a cornhole board. So this is the Easel software that comes with the X-Carve machine itself, and it's a program that was developed by Inventables that designed the machine to create a software that's like super user-friendly. So I found a file on Etsy and I brought it in, and so here it is. It just pops up in the field that I designed, and we have to do a few things before I can send it off to the machine. So over here we're going to click on this pop-up, and we're going to choose the material that we want, and there's a bunch of different materials that we can choose, but we want what's already listed here, which is birch plywood. And we can choose the size of our wood, which is the X and Y axis, and the thickness of our material. So it's set right now for a 1/2 inch, and we're going to actually cut a 3/4 inch piece of plywood. So I'm just going to make an adjustment here and turn it to 0.75. And that will adjust my material out here in the 3-dimensional field. So we can see what it's going to look like once it's cut out by the machine. Okay, so now we're going to go through the process of sending this file to the CNC router and making it ready to be cut. So I've clicked carve, but now we have to go through a whole process. And it's something that's easier to just do when you're here and you've got your hands on it. So I'm just going to run through it really quick, and we're going to get to the good part. So now I'm going to process these pieces and assemble the whole thing. So some of these pieces didn't cut out completely, and there's two reasons for that. One, the machine wanted to leave little connection points so that it doesn't fly off, into the room. And the other thing was just kind of the way the file lines up. We have 3 pieces that need to be cut out. We also have little tabs that need to be sanded down before we put this thing together. So I'm just going to do that now. There it is. 25 minutes of cutting and assembly, and you've got your very own cornhole board. Now all we have to do is add decoration.